let's discuss unicellular and multicellular interactions. The big idea here is that cells can carry out specific functions by working together. So what is a unicellular organism? It's when one cell makes up the entire organism. You know them as bacteria. We call them prokaryotic cells, and they do not have a nucleus. And the other type of cell is a eukaryotic cell, and they do have a nucleus. Humans have eukaryotic cells. Well, guess what type of cells that you have? You have eukaryotic cells. So unicellular organisms are mostly prokaryotic. All prokaryotic cells are unicellular organisms. But some of the eukaryotic cells are also unicellular. Key thing, unicellular organisms actually do work together, even though they're totally separate by themselves. They work together to do certain functions. You've experienced it, like plaque on your teeth. Well, one little bacteria, tiny. You need a microscope to see it. And yet plaque, it's gigantic, right? You have to need a toothbrush to brush it off. And of course, that plaque is big. So you notice one bacteria is working together with all the other bacteria of the same species to create that plaque. And you've been sick before too. Maybe even had like an ear infection or a bacterial infection. Well, guess what? When the bacteria gets inside you and causes that illness, what's happening is the bacteria of the same species is launching their attack at the same time because they're communicating to each other and they're working together to launch their attack. Well, guess what? Multicellular organisms also work together and they also communicate to work together. But what's different is that eukaryotic cells actually can specialize to do their own functions. Like muscle cells contract and relax, brain cells, right, processing information, heart cells for pumping blood. So, the big picture here is unicellular organisms have to do all the functions themselves, but they end up working together to accomplish those functions. And multicellular organisms, the cells specialize to do those functions, and then when those cells group together, that's when they become more efficient to form tissues and organs and body systems, and those do much more complicated functions by working together. I hope this helps. Thanks for listening.